Imagine waking up tomorrow and your job is gone. Shocking? This is the hidden revolution of AI. AI isn't just answering questions, it's breaking industries, rewriting rules, and creating unbelievable opportunities. But here's the secret. It could also replace millions of jobs. Think of ChatGPT writing code, Tesla's autopilot driving cars, or Google Gemini managing tasks. Powerful, right? But that's not all. Companies like Microsoft and Amazon are investing billions to make AI smarter every second. Here's the warning. Routine jobs in customer service, data entry, and even journalism are at risk. Imagine this. The next wave of AI could design products, discover medicines, and even negotiate business deals. What happens next will surprise you. AI isn't just taking jobs, it's creating new ones too. This could completely change the future, shifting workers into creative, strategic, and human-focused roles while automating repetitive tasks. The unbelievable truth? AI won't just take jobs, it will transform them. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to NezUp Tech for more future technology insights.